Hey folks, Upendra here. Let me start with a quick reality check. If you have SOC 2 and the only place your badge shows up is in the footer next to privacy policy, you're basically doing the compliance version of I bought a gym membership. Technically true, not helping you though. Because SOC 2 badge, when used properly, is not decoration. It's a trust shortcut. It's a way to tell a buyer in 2 seconds we take security seriously and someone independently verified it. And today I want to make this super simple. We'll cover 5 things. 1. When you're allowed to use the SOC 2 logo. 2. Why people should care about using it properly. 3. What to say and what not to say. 4. Where to use it so it actually helps sales. 5. How to register and get the official logo. Cool. Let's do it. So here's the phrase I want you to delete from your vocabulary. We are SOC 2 certified. It sounds normal. People say it all the time. But SOC 2 is not a certification. SOC 2 is an attestation, meaning a licensed CPA firm audits your controls and issues an opinion. So you're not getting a certificate like ISO style certifications. You're getting a report that says we examined these controls over this period and here's our conclusion. That detail matters because the SOC 2 logo is tied to the report and the auditor's opinion. It's literally an independent firm reviewed us and issued their opinion. Now the big question, when can you use the official SOC 2 logo? Here's the simple answer. You can use it if your SOC 2 report has an unqualified opinion. Unqualified sounds scary, but it's actually the good one. It basically means clean report, no major exceptions, etc. So if you got a qualified opinion, modified opinion, adverse opinion, basically anything that isn't clean, then you shouldn't be using the official logo. And yes, this applies whether you did SOC 2 type 1 or type 2. Quick thing, so type 1 controls basically equals controls that are designed properly at a point in time, and type 2 equals controls worked over a period of time. And in most B2B SaaS buying situations, type 2 is what people really want because it shows consistency, not just we had controls on paper on one day. Now you might be thinking, okay, this is compliance stuff. Why should marketing and sales care? Because buyers don't buy software, they buy outcomes and they buy risk reduction. Enterprise buyers are constantly thinking, what if this vendor gets breached? What if they mishandle data? What if we pick them and it becomes my problem? And SOC 2 is one of the fastest ways to reduce that anxiety. It's like you're walking into a room full of skeptical people and SOC 2 is you calmly placing a folder on the table that says we've been audited independently over time. You don't need to argue. The signal does the work. And that's why using the logo correctly matters. Because if you use the wrong language, it makes you look like you don't understand your own security posture. And if you look confused about security, buyers get nervous. Okay, this part is important. And honestly, it's where most teams mess it up. Do not say SOC 2 certified, SOC 2 certification logo, we are certified for SOC 2, etc. Instead, say we completed a SOC 2 type 2 attestation. We are SOC 2 compliant. Our SOC 2 type 2 report covers this particular time period. That's it. Simple. And here's the vibe you want. Confident and factual. Not salesy, not dramatic, just clean. For example, on your homepage, you can say, we've completed a SOC 2 type 2 attestation, validating our controls over an audit period. In a sales deck, for example, you might say SOC 2 type 2, independent attestation of controls over time. On LinkedIn, for example, you could go out and claim that you are proud to be SOC 2 compliant. Our SOC 2 type 2 report reflects operating effectiveness over the audit period. This is the kind of language procurement teams love because it's precise, it doesn't overclaim. It doesn't sound like marketing made it up. Now, if you want the badge to work for you, don't treat it like an Easter egg. Put it where trust decisions happen. Here are few of the highest leverage spots. First, your homepage, but not randomly. Put it near your other credibility signals like customer logos, security claims, testimonials. Whatever your trust zone is, just go out and put it out there. Number 2, your security or trust page, because that's where buyers go when they're evaluating you. It's basically the should we trust these folks page. You definitely want to be there. 3, your sales deck. There's always that one slide where you talk about security, compliance, data, reliability. Put it there. It reduces objections before they even come up. 4, your proposals and RFP responses. Because the moment you enter procurement workflows, trust proof matters more than product features. The key idea is this: your badge shouldn't live in one place. It should show up across the buyer journey. at the moments when people are about to hesitate. Now let's talk about the practical question. How do I get the official AICPA SOC 2 logo? Well, it's pretty simple. Register around AICPA's SOC logo process. You typically submit your company info, your audit firm details, and your report information. Then once you're approved, you get access to the official SOC logo assets. And this part matters because the official SOC logo is not something you should just Google image search and paste it on your website. The whole point is this. AICPA controls who gets access to the official mark so it stays credible. One more quick thing, because it comes up a lot. SOC 2 reports often get shared under NDA because they contain details. If you want something you can share publicly without friction, ask your auditor about SOC 3. SOC 3 is basically the public-friendly summary version designed for marketing and public sharing. So a simple strategy. SOC 2, share it in sales under NDA, and SOC 3, use publicly on your trust page as a downloadable proof point. Alright, let's summarize this in one clean checklist. If you want to use the SOC 2 logo properly, make sure you're eligible. Means you've got an unqualified opinion on your SOC 2 attestation. Number 2, register through the official AICPA process. 3, use accurate language, attested, not certified. Number 4, put it where buyers actually look, not where it goes to die in the footer. If you do that, your SOC 2 badge stops being a compliance thing and starts becoming a growth lever. Thanks for watching.